TestDriver AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's the next big thing in AI software, you're in the right place. In this review, I'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about TestDriver AI to help you understand how it could change your digital experience. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether this tool is right for you. And if you're ready to try it yourself, I've got a link to try it for free in the description below. Let's dive in. TestDriver AI is an innovative tool designed for marketers, content creators, and businesses looking to boost their efficiency using AI. One of the first things you'll notice when you try it is how easy it is to integrate into your existing workflows. TestDriver. AI isn't just another generic AI tool. It's built with a focus on streamlining testing, automating tasks, and optimizing results. What sets this software apart is its ability to automate complex testing processes. Whether you're running A/B tests or evaluating user interactions, TestDriver AI can analyze large datasets in minutes, giving you actionable insights with minimal manual input. You won't have to spend hours crunching numbers or analyzing raw data. It simplifies everything, making it accessible for beginners but powerful enough for advanced users. Another thing to highlight is its user-friendly interface. It's often difficult to find a new AI tool that is both powerful and intuitive, but TestDriver AI does a great job of keeping everything simple while still offering advanced features. Even if you're new to AI software, you'll be able to jump right in and start using the tool without feeling overwhelmed. Performance is where TestDriver AI really shines. This software is optimized for speed and accuracy. It doesn't matter if you're handling small datasets or large-scale campaigns. TestDriver AI ensures that your tests and results are generated quickly and accurately. This makes it an ideal choice for businesses that need to make data-driven decisions on the fly. TestDriver AI also integrates seamlessly with other marketing tools. This is huge because, in today's world, having a system that works well with your existing tech stack can save you time and headaches. The software connects with popular platforms like Google Analytics, CRM systems, and even social media management tools. You won't need to jump between multiple tabs to get the data you need. TestDriver AI does the hard work for you. For those who are concerned about the learning curve, don't worry. TestDriver AI offers in-depth tutorials and responsive customer support, so you'll never be left in the dark. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just need some guidance on how to get the best results from your tests, TestDriver AI support team is always ready to help. But here's the kicker. TestDriver AI isn't just for large enterprises or data specialists. It's also designed to be cost-effective for smaller businesses and individual creators who want to improve their online marketing efforts. The pricing structure is flexible, which means you can get started without breaking the bank. Now, let me give you a little secret. While TestDriver AI is incredible, it's not the only AI software that can help you boost your marketing and business growth. In fact, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've gathered a list of some of the best ones out there. You can check them out in the description below after this review. So, to recap, TestDriver AI is an impressive, easy-to-use, and powerful tool for automating testing and optimizing marketing strategies. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, it has something to offer. Plus, with its seamless integrations and cost-effective pricing, it's a fantastic choice for businesses of all sizes. If you're interested, make sure to check out the link in the description for your free trial. And after you've explored TestDriver AI, be sure to check out the other AI software recommendations I've compiled for you. All of these are tools I've tested personally and highly recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.